Hey everybody, this is Andrew from TS for Tech, and in today's video I'm going to be taking a look at doing a quick unboxing and first look at this 10,000 milliamp hour power bank from AUKEY. Now I do appreciate and want to thank AUKEY for sending this over to the channel. They sent a few things over to the channel in the last month or so, and I'm always happy to work with companies to take a look at their products with an honest review. So this is a 10,000 milliamp hour battery, like I said, and it's pretty compact and it feels fairly light. This does have Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0 with power delivery ports on it, or at least one power delivery port, which is the USB-C type port. Yeah, so we will take a quick look at this. So this is boxed just like all of AUKEY's products mostly today. Just comes in this kind of manila color brown box. And yeah, so the model on this, the model number is PBY36. Again, that's PBY36. And I will link to this Amazon listing in the description of the video. AUKEY sells most of their stuff on Amazon. So as typical with all of their products, you basically get your little 24-month warranty, product warranty sticker, some information of how to get to their social media, and you get a little bit of a user manual, basically kind of going over the various parts of the power bank. And again, you get a USB-A to C cable, a user manual, warranty card. And this is a pretty simple one. It's a compact power bank. And basically, again, for those that don't know, I've done some other videos on these, different types of devices. And so what is power delivery? Power delivery universal multi-voltage charging standard that dynamically negotiates power output via USB Type-C connection. So the USB-C connection, if your device and your power source both support power delivery, they can negotiate what the charge rate and wattage and all of that stuff is over that connection. So it will optimally set itself to charge your device. It's a little bit of information. And then quick charge is a different standard that basically allows for faster charging of mostly phones, I would say. So the max power output of this is 18 watts. So if you have a quick charge device or another device that supports power delivery, the max rate you're going to get out of this is 18 watts. I've done some other videos with other devices in the past that will charge like a lot higher than that, but this one is capped at 18 watts, which is still pretty fast for phones. If you have an iPhone or some of the newer Samsung devices, that will get you a pretty quick charge. Yeah, so their user manual says it comes with a USB-A to C cable. It does not come with a USB-A to C. It comes with a USB-C to C. So they need to update their user manual for that. But anyways, so you get a USB-C to C because you can charge this with USB-C, or that is the way you charge it. And this is a pretty compact device. The dimensions are, so it is about 2 inches wide. It's about 1 inch tall, 2 inches wide, and about 4.1 inches long. So basically 4 by 2 by 1, right? So pretty compact. And it's not that heavy either. So there's a power button on the side right here. And then that will allow you to see the charge level. I don't know if you can see that. There's three bars there. So the power delivery port is the way you charge this device, and also you can obviously charge devices from this. So that's the in and out. The USB Type-A is the only and out for quick charge type devices. So this is the quick charge port. This is the power delivery port. Yeah, 10,000 milliamp hours, max output of 18 watts in a super compact size. Again, these types of things are not necessarily always exciting, right? Because it's a power bank, and a power bank's a power bank, but this one is really nice. It is compact. Seems to, a 10,000 milliamp hour is pretty good. as with most of my reviews, when I do these sorts of things, I'll just, this is the unboxing portion. I will jump over to the computer and give you some of my thoughts after I've used this for a few days. So we'll summarize the video and end it over there. So let's hop over to the computer. So I've been using this over the past 3 or 4 days, and I've just kind of kept it with me in my pocket of my jacket. I put it in my bag and whatnot. So the one thing I have to say, it's super lightweight, compact, small, very good for just having it with you all the time. Some of my other battery banks are like 20,000 milliamp hours or close to 30,000, so they're huge, right? And it's not something I'd be carrying around a ton with me. So if you want something for your phone just to kind of keep with you in case your battery is getting low or whatnot, this is a really good option, I think. It has power delivery, has quick charge, max 18 watt output, but it has a low voltage mode, so it will charge devices like Galaxy Watch Active 2 or headphones and other things like that, so you don't have to worry about it messing up your devices that take a lower charge rate. So all in all, I think this is a pretty good and compact device. Plenty of power, to at least charge, quite a few things depending on how big the batteries are. So definitely worth taking a look if you're looking for something in this compact size. If you have any questions, go ahead and post those below. As always, please consider subscribing, giving this a thumbs up if you thought the video was decent or appreciated. This is Andrew from TS for Tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.